In this video we are going to create a simple expert advisor that is able to open 10 test positions and close them all at once. So let's see how we can do that with MQL5.
In this video, we are going to create an expert advisor that manages trading positions based on certain conditions. Let's see how we can do that. First, we start Metaeditor by clicking the little icon or pressing F4. We begin by including the Trade.mqh file, which provides us with the necessary trading functions. We then create an instance of the CTrade class, which will be used to execute trade operations. In the OnTick function, which is called every time a new tick is received, we first get the current ask price. This is done by using the SymbolInfoDouble function with the symbol ask parameter, and we normalize the value to the number of digits for the current symbol. Next, we check if the total number of open positions is less than 10. If this condition is met, we open a buy position of 0.10 lots, which is 10 micro lots, at the current ask price. The stop loss is set to 1,000 points below the ask price, and the take profit is set to 150 points above the ask price. If the total number of open positions is exactly 10, we call the close all buy positions function to close all open buy positions. The close all buy positions function iterates through all open positions in reverse order. For each position, it retrieves the ticket number and the position type. If the position is a buy position, it closes the position using the position close function. Finally, we press F7 to compile the code. If this was too fast for you, or if you don't understand what all the code is doing, you may want to check out the premium course on our website or watch one of the basic videos first. If the compilation is successful, we go back to MetaTrader by pressing F4 or clicking on the icon. Back in MetaTrader, we press Ctrl and R to start the strategy tester. Pick the expert advisor that we have just created, enable the visual mode, and start a strategy test. We should then see the expert advisor on the chart. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, you can send us an email. In this video, we have learned how to create an expert advisor that opens buy positions and closes them based on the number of open positions. We have coded this with a few lines of MQL code. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Okay, you should now see positions on your chart, and I hope that everything went well. If you have any further questions, maybe the premium course might be interesting for you, you can find that one on our website. I say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.